Hi, beauties. I'm Angela with Bare Elegance, your skincare engineer, and I wanted to introduce you to our Revitalizing Hair Starter Kit. So we have a super root stimulator, and we have a hair growth oil. These two items together will give your hair the vitamins, nutrients, fiber that it needs to start generating hair growth. So we use a combination of clove, coffee, and peppermint to help circulate the blood in your scalp. And we also have added niacinamide to help synthesize the keratin in your hair to help revitalize the follicles that have become dormant or or thin. Now, if the follicles have died, there's nothing we can do, but in a lot of cases, they just need to be revitalized, and these two items will do it. You will use the spray twice a day and make sure you massage it in, and the hair growth oil, you'll use it once to twice a week. If there's a situation where you cannot get your hair wet, we got you covered. We have a mango butter, and the main ingredients are in this mango butter, and it is sold separately. You would use it with the hair growth oil. So these two items are sold in a bundle. You can refill as you need them. This will last you about 3 months. So click the link below to make your purchase.